Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so I'm about to get in the shower and get ready for the gym. Okay, last night I had did my cornrows like this, and I was like, you know what? I could just keep these in for a few days, and then the fear, okay, came in. And I had looked in the mirror because I know my hair, because I dyed my hair not too long ago, and I know the grays are seeping through, right? And before, I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys. Before I had went to Cold Stone, right, with my youngest children's father, probably like a year ago or so. What was it, last summer, right? We went together, like drove separately. And when I got to Cold Stones, right, I felt like really subconscious about like my gray hair. And it dun, 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 dun. Okay, so probably about a month ago, I believe it was. Honey, don't quote me on the time sometimes, okay? Because sometimes I forget exactly the specifics, okay? So listen, I had started using this, okay, and I was coming with a lot of gray hair, okay, and I had created this, okay. So in here is rosemary, is fresh rosemary, is cloves, is black cumin, and is stinging nettle. Okay, and so what those products are supposed to do is, one, stinging nettle is really good because it's high in iron. Okay, so if you have probably like some bald spots, or if your hair is thinning, probably you could try nettle, stinging nettle, right, because it's high in iron. Also cloves is really good. Okay, it refreshes your scalp, so amazing. And black cumin, I forgot exactly. I have it written down on the herbal bottle, like the jar of black cumin, what is it good for. And rosemary is really good. It strengthens your hair. It helps promote hair growth. Is so good. So maybe try to give this a try. And if you premature graying, right, it could be from a number of things. And so I started using this. The whole idea about using this though is being consistent. Okay, it's funny because the video that I showed you guys in the beginning, right, I had the same exact nightgown on, right, but you don't really need no hair dye, really. That's what I'm saying, because I said, oh my goodness. Now I'm going to show you guys in the back. Okay, it's probably some grays back there, but not as predominantly like how it was a few weeks ago or a month ago. So get us to try. Let me know how you guys like it. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.